Use the FOIL method to multiply these binomials. With the FOIL method, you multiply the four terms from the two binomials in a specific order. Multiply the first terms, then the outside terms, then the inside terms, then the last terms. So let's multiply these binomials. Fill in the terms here. So we get 5x plus 1, 3x minus 4. The product of the first terms is 5x times 3x, or 3 times 5x squared. The product of the outside terms is 5x times negative 4, so we get negative 4 times 5x. The product of the inside terms is 1 times 3x, and the product of the outside terms is 1 times negative 4. Simplifying, we get 15x squared, and this simplifies to negative 20x. This simplifies to 3x, and this becomes negative 4. Simplifying further, we get 15x squared minus 20 plus 3 is minus 17x, and then negative 4 becomes minus 4. So the simplified form is 15x squared minus 17x minus 4.